Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
A lung cleansing drink recipe for those who can't quit smoking. A lung cleansing drink is what a smoker needs. Over and over studies are published over the ills of smoking and the long-term damage it does to our body. But the latest by the American Lung Association claims that when you light up there are around 7,000 toxins released into your system. Now out of these about 69 odd are cancer-causing. Some of the most shocking toxins and chemicals found in cigarettes include toluene used in paint, acetone found in nail polish remover, ammonia in house cleaners, acetic acid found in hair dye, arsenic from rat poison, carbon monoxide found in car fumes, cadmium in battery acid, naphthalene in mothballs, methanol in rocket fuel, and nicotine in insecticides, to name a few. With all the toxins going into the body, there is a need to cleanse our lungs every once in a while. Both smokers and former smokers have inhaled harmful fumes from cigarette smoke, and it becomes extremely imperative to flush them out of our system before it is too late. For this you don't need to buy any fancy medication or visit a doctor. Simply pick up a few basic ingredients from the kitchen and make a little lung cleansing drink out of it. This would be the most healthy and natural remedy to cleanse your lungs and add years to your life. Ingredients: 1 liter water, 2 cups chopped onion, 2 tablespoons turmeric powder, 2 cups sugar, 4 pieces ginger root. Method of preparation: to make this natural lung cleansing drink, pour the sugar into water in a saucepan and heat it. Allow it to boil. In the meantime, chop the ginger roots and add it to the pan together with the chopped onion. Let the mix boil. Turn the flame to low and tip in the turmeric powder. Continue simmering the liquid till it is reduced to half. Take it off heat. Allow it to come to room temperature. Strain the liquid into an airtight glass bottle and refrigerate it. Drink 2 teaspoons of this magic potion every day after breakfast and post-dinner. In less than a month your lungs would be cleansed of all these dangerous chemicals and toxins. Helpful to both smokers and former smokers. Why onion? Onion is a great anti-cancer ingredient and also prevents respiratory problems. Why turmeric? Turmeric is an antiseptic, antibacterial component that fights microbes and cancer cells. Besides, it is also rich in vitamins, minerals and omega-3 fatty acids. Why ginger? With ginger you can cut the formation of mucus in the lungs. Make this lung cleansing drink at home and your lungs won't be in any imminent danger from harmful toxins.